This is a quick video of me using my OneNote to mark my class students. You can see the highlighted names at the top. Those are the students who have got something in there, they're working on there at the moment. If I go down, there are a few students who I can see who have not accessed it, so I'll be sending emails home to them. I'm going to Judy, so she's got some work here. Today's work was dividing by decimal, so she's actually done quite a lot there, and it was also just that one over there, so she has just put the answers up, but this one I didn't have any answers for, so she's actually done those, so she's done some good thinking here, timesing each of them by 10 and then showing all her working, and I can just write good working out. Actually see one working, catch one in the act. Sometimes it's a pain trying to find. So this student has actually just worked in her book and then given me the pages as we're going. Maths and workbook. Okay, so she'll probably give me a photo of that later. Well done. Lovely effort. But you can actually catch them in the act. Obviously the ones I'm looking at now, we're not going to do that. That was quite sweet. I will. So there you go, just interactive, and you can see which ones you need to check, because they have got the work there. And that's it. Really quick and easy.